Hello dear traders, you are on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. OPEC and its allies have postponed the summit until next week. The cartel and other major oil producers will meet to decide whether to extend the pact on oil production cuts, aiming to prop up a rally of oil prices. Meanwhile, investors focus on escalating tensions in the Middle East. The US threatens Iran with new sanctions. State Secretary Mike Pompeo stated that Washington is ready to target Iran's economy with severe sanctions, which are likely to freeze financial resources and foreign investment. Last week, Donald Trump suspended his decision to strike Iran in response to Tehran's move to shoot down an American reconnaissance drone. The US president stressed that he does not rule out the scenario of a military attack in the future. Oil prices extended strong gains amid escalating geopolitical tensions. Brent crude settled up at $65.50 a barrel. Besides, another catalyst for a rally is a weekly update from Baker Hughes as the number of oil drilling rigs decreased in the United States last week. Investors are in the elevated mood in anticipation of the G20 summit, which will take place at the end of this week in Osaka. Donald Trump and his Chinese counterpart Xi Jinping are expected to hold talks on the sidelines of the summit. So investors hope that the state leaders will make efforts to reach a compromise on the path to a trade deal. Interestingly, the ruble is able to assert strength. The dollar-ruble pair is trying to break below the level of 62.90, though unsuccessfully. At present, the ruble finds support from a steady rally of oil prices, hopes for the resolution of the trade conflict between the United States and China, and the peak of the tax filing period in Russia. On Friday, traders decided to sell the ruble, responding to the news about new sanctions against Russia. However, the news did not influence trading decisions for long, so the currency pair retreated to the previous levels. To sum it up, the ruble is going to trade firmly at around the same level for a few sessions in a row. You were watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals.